Today, I'm going to review the Alloyman 4-volt cordless screwdriver on Use What You Got. What is up, everyone? This is Zach with Use What You Got, and today we're reviewing this guy. Alloyman was nice enough to send it over to me, and we're going to see what it's all about. This will be great to have around the house if this is one of those things you need. They always send a case. Again, these cases, as I mentioned in the past with some of their other products, they're not super heavy duty, but they get the job done. And for something like this is definitely overkill. And I mean that in a good way, so it's nice to have. It's a hard plastic, but it's not like if you're familiar with Pelican cases or, you know, just higher end products. Like this is, it's still somewhat of a soft, pliable. Yeah. So, I'll open it up. See what we got in here. So, got some paperwork. We got the drill itself. We have a USB to adapter to plug into the bottom to charge it. We actually have an extension bit, which is cool. I think one of the coolest things about this product is the fact that they give you all these extra bits. And there's a lot here. All from square to star to Phillips to hexagon, a little extension right there. But this is cool. So you have the case, you have all these extra bits, and on top of that, you have some in here. And I think this is the one thing, put that to the side. I think this is the one thing that might actually separate this from a lot of the other screw guns out there that you can buy. You can take this, stretch it out like that. Now you have a little magnifying glass right here, and you can put bits in this thing like a revolver, literally. And you essentially twist this, and you change your bit. You can look through here to see what bit you're on, and you find the bit you want, and when you're ready, you push it in place, and there you go. You're ready to go. So if you have, you know, 2 or 3, and probably up to, I don't know, it looks like it could probably hold about 6 or so bits, literally, they're right there ready for you. You pull it out, twist it, ready to go. It's pretty straightforward. You have your trigger, and then you have forward and reverse. There's also a lock that you stick it in the middle. You have your charging port on the bottom. But just the, I don't know, the idea of this mechanism, pull it out, change your thing, put it back in. I don't know, I think it's kind of cool. It looks like you have to have it extended first before you pull it out, which makes sense, so there's nothing in the loading area. But when you pull it out, you can see here, you have access to all the different ports, so you could swap out one of these, and then you essentially push it back in, make sure it's in place, and it's good to go. 4 volts, speed 232 RPMs. Max torque is 4.5 Newton meters, and the bit size is 25 millimeters. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna be using this around the house. Obviously you can see, you're not gonna be doing anything crazy with this, but if you think about it, for some reason I always keep thinking of light switch covers and just like little things that are annoying to have to take on and off. Having something like this where you don't have to constantly twist your wrist and do all that extra work, first world problems. This is gonna make it really convenient for those kind of things. So, it's got a little light on the bottom too. I think I've showed enough of this. Let me know if you have any questions about this down below. This is Zach with Use What You Got. Cool little tool. All right.